tuning in today. Like read by the title, I'm gonna be oiling and twisting my natural hair. It is all messed up, but it's gonna come out so perfect. So you might want to stick around and see how the results come out. So I have these 3 combs. This one is a tail comb, this one is an axe comb, and then this one is a lifter. I'm going to use this to unplait the big braids I have on my head right now. So this one will help me comb it to remove all the curls, and then I'll finally use this one to straighten it. For your natural springs to come out perfectly, they have to be wet, that as in moist. So I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner from Glow. Alright guys, let's unplait. So this is how the hair looks. So first I'm going to use this to detangle the hair. You can see how rough it is. After that, I'm going to apply this Glow conditioner to moisturize my hair. And then comb it. You can see that the comb is now passing smoothly this time compared to before. Anti-shrinking because of the conditioner. This is going to help our twists come out so perfectly. So after using this bigger comb, I now use my lifter. That line is straight, it's a bit straight. See, this is getting done while I still have all this. So I'm going to divide this and join it with this. almost done. Left with one batch, so I'm done and plating it. We're going to do the same process. But the good thing is everything is done, and this is my new look now. How do I look? This is the spray I use that gives my hair a shiny look. So let's go ahead and spray it. My hands are slippery, that's why I'm holding it with 2 hands. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, see you.